Yo, it's your boy Dino, man, back with some more free games. So check this out, peoples. Wealth and privacy. There's a quote that I wrote a long time ago that said, "He who makes the least amount of noise will retain their wealth." It's coming from the perspective of not having to keep up with the Joneses. Now imagine not having to go out and buy the latest car or the latest whatever and just live a modest lifestyle. Imagine not having to worry about the amount of cash flow that's going to be leaving your home to keep up with that lifestyle. It is a true blessing not having to worry about the price of things that fit your lifestyle, because you can cover the costs with no problem. It is a true luxury to live life wealthy and in peace and in silence. Ones who make the least amount of noise more than likely will be able to retain their wealth way better than someone living out loud. Move in silence.